Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Akosia's Tasty Recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Alright, so for today, I will be making oven roasted chicken with potatoes and some vegetables. Alright, so I will be listing all the ingredients that I use for this recipe and then also show you how I achieved this juicy and delicious recipe. So let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I use for this recipe. Okay, so I'm going to do the dry rubbing method. So you combine all your dry spices. I will list all the spices in the description box. So once I'm done mixing the spices, I'll put it aside and then prep my chicken. So I already washed my chicken with some lemon and then I wipe the water with kitchen towel. Then I will cut through the back and remove the backbone and then open the chicken so that I will use the kitchen towel to also clean the inside the chicken very well. Just watch how I did that. Okay, so you flip the chicken over and then press on the breast part so that it can lay down and then lift up the skin where you'll be filling with some spices as well. But if you don't want the skin, you can also remove the entire skin from the chicken. It's optional, whichever way you want it. Okay, so once I'm done prepping the chicken, I'll go ahead and then line my baking tray with some aluminum foil, and then it's time to smear the butter on my chicken. Please, I'm using unsalted butter. If you use salted butter, then you don't need to add salt to your spices. Yes, or you reduce the salt in your spices. So smear the butter everywhere, every corner, so that you have that flavorful and then delicious chicken. Once you're done, go ahead and then put your spices or smear with your spices as well. Make sure the spices goes everywhere so that after grilling, your chicken becomes very tasty and delicious. Please make sure to preheat your oven whilst doing this and then roast this for 1 hour under 250 degrees. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is to prep my potatoes and then carrots. You can also go ahead and add extra vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower, anything that you prefer. So I will just divide or slice my potatoes and then the carrot. I will be using air fryer for the potatoes and carrots, yes. So once I'm done slicing this, I'll put everything in a mixing bowl and then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil that you want and then give it a quick toss and then add some of the spices we made for the chicken and also toss as well. Once everything is well mixed, I'll put it in the air fryer and then air fry it for 25 minutes. If you don't have air fryer, that's okay. You can also pan fry or you can put it in your oven and bake. That's okay. Okay, so after 25 minutes, the potatoes and carrot is ready. So I'll just allow it to rest in the air fryer and then I will wait for the chicken to be done. Okay, so after 1 hour, our chicken is also ready. Oh my God, it's looking so juicy. So I'm just going to go ahead and then set it up. So I'm just using my chopping board. You can also use your big dish or any big tray that you have, and then I also put the potato and carrot on a parchment paper in a plate, and then I rub some of the butter on the chicken to make it more juicy. Add some veggies that you prefer. Okay, so I have tomatoes, red onions, and then some cucumber, and parsley as well. You know how I love parsley. I also added some parsley to my potatoes. So that's it. Very simple and a healthy meal. This was so delicious and juicy. If you don't have all the spices I used, that is pretty fine. You can use any spices of your choice and then the outcome will be great. Okay, make sure you don't overheat your oven, because the inside will not be cooked and the outside will be burnt, and then you wouldn't have a great outcome. So please make sure to manage or regulate the oven very well. Let's go into the chicken and see how it looks. Very juicy and tasty. Okay, so there you go. Yes, it's very tender and juicy. See all the juice coming out from the chicken. This is how I love my chicken. Trust me, it was so good, and then I really loved it. I hope you give it a try. All right, so I'll leave you guys here. Please, if you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and share my channel. Yes, invite all your friends to come here for more and amazing recipes. Stay tuned for more recipes. Please take care of yourself. God bless you all for always watching my channel. And please have a safe and amazing day. Bye bye.